Welcome to Lumah. This 40-minute session is a profound journey of healing and contrast. Tonight, we are going to use the power of warmth and the soothing sound of rain to reset your entire nervous system. This is a sanctuary where you can lay down your burdens and disconnect from the identity you wear during the day. In the philosophy of the quiet mind, we remember that you are not the voice in your head. You are the one listening to the voice. You are the conscious witness. The vast, silent space behind the noise. Tonight, we will rest in that space. Before we travel to our sanctuary, let us prepare the physical vessel. Take a moment to make yourself absolutely comfortable. This is your time. There is nowhere else you need to be. Adjust your blankets, ensuring you are warm enough, as deep relaxation often cools the body. Move your pillow until your neck feels completely supported and weightless. Allow your legs to fall open, releasing the tension in your hips. Let your arms rest heavy by your sides, palms facing up to receive peace. Close your eyes. Let's take a deep, clearing breath together. Inhale deeply through your nose, filling your lungs with fresh, new energy. And exhale through your mouth with a soft sigh, letting go of the day. Again, inhale calm. Exhale stress. Now, allow your breath to find its own natural rhythm. Do not force it. Just observe it. Like watching gentle waves lapping against the shore. Constant. Rhythmic. Soothing. Release. We will now perform a deep scan of your body, turning off the lights in every room of your physical house. Bring your awareness all the way down to your feet. Visualize a warm, golden oil being poured over your feet. Feel it soaking into your toes, the big toe, the little toes. Feel it soothing the balls of your feet and your arches. This warmth penetrates deep into the heels and ankles, dissolving any tiredness from standing or walking. Your feet are now heavy, so heavy they feel like they are sinking into the mattress. Allow Allow this sensation to travel up your legs, into your shins and calf muscles. Feel the muscles uncoiling, lengthening. The warmth moves into your knees, softening the joints, healing the ligaments. It flows up into your thighs. The largest muscles in your body are now completely at rest. There is no need to hold on. Gravity is doing all the work for you. Let go. Bring your attention to your hips and pelvis. This is where we often store emotional stress and survival instincts. Imagine a soft, warm light expanding in your hip joints, opening them gently, melting away any tightness. Your lower body is now completely disconnected, safe, heavy, asleep. Move your awareness to the base of your spine. Slowly let that relaxation climb up your back. Vertebra by vertebra. Lower back, releasing. Middle back, widening against the bed. Upper back, letting go of any burdens you carried today. Feel your shoulder blades sliding down, away from your ears, creating space, creating relief. Focus on your stomach area. Often we hold tension here, tight knots of worry. Let your belly become soft and loose, rising and falling effortlessly with your breath. Allow this relaxation to penetrate deep inside, soothing your digestion, calming your internal organs, sending a signal to your nervous system that you are safe. Let the warmth flow into your chest. Imagine your heart is beating in a slow, comforting rhythm. Bum 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 bum. Relaxation flows down your arms, shoulders, elbows, wrists, hands. Feel a gentle tingling in your fingertips. Your hands are open, empty, grasping nothing. Relax your throat and neck. Swallow once to release any tightness. Unclench your jaw, leaving a small gap between your teeth. Let your tongue rest on the floor of your mouth. Soften your cheeks. Soften your eyes. Let your eyelids feel heavy, sealed shut with comfort. Smooth out your forehead. Imagine a cool hand gently brushing across your brow, wiping away thoughts. Your scalp relaxes. Your brain settles back into the skull. You are completely still, drifting. Now, let your mind travel. Imagine you're walking on a path through an ancient, misty forest. The air is cool and crisp, filled with oxygen. It smells of pine needles, wet earth, and eucalyptus. It is raining gently. A soft, steady shower that filters through the canopy of the tall trees. You can hear the sound of the rain hitting the leaves. Tip-tap, tip-tap. It is nature's lullaby. A curtain of white noise that separates you from the world. You are walking slowly, feeling the soft, damp moss beneath your feet. You feel perfectly comfortable, wrapped in a warm, fluffy robe. The cool air on your face feels refreshing, waking up your senses in a gentle way. Ahead of you, through the trees, you see steam rising. White clouds of vapor dancing with the falling rain. You walk towards it, drawn by the promise of warmth. You step into a clearing and discover a magnificent natural hot spring. A series of pools carved into dark, volcanic rock. The water is a deep, milky turquoise color, rich with healing minerals. Steam rises from the surface, creating a magical, dreamlike atmosphere. This place is secluded, private, timeless. Only you know about this sanctuary. You approach the water's edge. You take off your robe, and with it, you take off your responsibilities. You leave behind your name, your job, your history. You step into the water with your naked soul, warm. First, your toes touch the water. It is hot, but not too hot. It is the perfect temperature to melt muscles. You slowly lower yourself in. The heat wraps around your ankles, your calves, your knees. You feel an immediate sigh of relief from your body. You go deeper. The water reaches your hips, your waist, your chest. Finally, you find a smooth, submerged seat and settle in. The water covers your shoulders right up to your neck. Take a moment to fully experience this sensation. The contrast is exquisite. Your body is cocooned in deep, penetrating heat, while your face feels the cool, fresh kiss of the rain. Fire and water, hot and cold, yin and yang. And in the center of it all, you are the balance point. Close your eyes in the visualization. Feel the heat working its magic. It seeps into your pores. It penetrates the fascia and the muscles. It reaches deep into your bones. It feels as if the water is dissolving the boundaries of your body. You no longer know where your skin ends and the water begins. You are becoming liquid. You are becoming steam. You are expanding, weightless. Floating. S-H-H-H, S-H-H-H. Watch the ripples spreading out from each drop. Imagine that each drop of rain represents a thought. It falls from the gray sky of your mind. It touches the warm water of your consciousness. And instantly, you're emerging. It disappears. You don't have to catch the drops. You don't have to analyze them. Just let them fall and dissolve. The steam around you thickens, creating a soft white cocoon. The world outside fades away completely. Here, in the mist, time stops. There is no past to regret. There is no future to plan. There is only the sensation of heat and water, holding you, supporting you, healing you. Lean your head back against the smooth stone edge. Look up at the sky. It is a soft, comforting gray. You feel safe under this sky. You feel connected to the earth that heats the water from below, and connected to the sky that sends the rain from above. You are part of this cycle. You belong here. Silence. Deep peace. Notice your breathing. It has become slow and deep, matching the rising steam. With every inhale, you breathe in the mineral-rich vapor, cleansing your lungs, cleansing your spirit. With every exhale, you sink 1 inch deeper into the water. Your heart rate has slowed down. Your blood pressure has settled. Your cortisol levels are dropping. Your body is entering a state of profound repair. Imagine that the water is drawing out anything you don't need. Old anger, fear, sadness, pain. Imagine it leaving your body like a dark smoke, dissolving into the water, neutralized by the heat. You're being purifying. You're being washed clean. You're becoming lighter. Nothing else matters. Just this. Stay here for a moment, simply existing, suspended in warmth. There is nothing you need to achieve here. Productivity is not required. Thinking is not required. You are enough, just as you are. sitting in the rain, being held by the earth, silent. Your eyelids feel too heavy to open. The visualization of the forest begins to fade softly, but the feeling remains. The warmth is now inside your bones. The rhythm of the rain is inside your heart. You are ready to transition from the water of the mind to the bed of reality. Imagine stepping out of the pool. You feel clean, new, deeply relaxed. You wrap yourself in a warm, dry towel of light, and instantly you are back in your bed, feeling the support of the mattress beneath you. But you carry the stillness of the hot springs with you. You are safe. You are warm. You are ready to sleep. Let go. Deeper. Imagine the thermal water has reached the deepest part of your being. It is no longer just relaxing your muscles. Now it is relaxing your thoughts. Visualize your mind as that forest under the rain. Every drop is a moment of calm touching your consciousness. Silence. Peace. Visualize a sphere of warm light gently spinning. With every breath, this light expands. It moves up your back, illuminates your chest, softens your throat, and rests in the center of your forehead. Your entire body is glowing with a dim, healing light. Like a firefly in the dark night, calm. Flow. It is no longer outside. It is inside, washing away any residue of fatigue, leaving a clean space, vast, eternal. Give yourself permission to do nothing else. The world will keep spinning without your effort. Everything is in order. You are safe. You are whole. Nothing else. Just be. I will count down from 10 to 1. With each number, you will drift further away from the waking world, descending into the healing darkness of restorative sleep. 10. The sound of the rain fades into a gentle whisper. 9. Your body feels heavy, sinking deeper into the mattress. 8. Your mind is clear, like a still lake. 7. Releasing the last bit of tension. 6. Drifting down, floating down. halfway to deep sleep, surrendering completely, or so tired, so comfortable, free. The world is gone. Only peace remains. 2. Silence. Stillness. 1. Sleep. Sleep now. Good night. Drifting.